Theory is great, but you came here to do something. Let's automate your first task with AI right now. Step 1. Pick one task you do every week that's boring and repetitive. Writing status update emails. Summarizing meeting notes. Cleaning up spreadsheet data. Drafting social media posts. The key word is repetitive. If you do it more than once, AI can probably help. Step 2. Write down exactly what you do. Not roughly. Exactly. I open this spreadsheet. I look at column B. I write a summary of the top 5 entries. I send it to my manager. Step 3. Turn that into a prompt. Give AI the context, the data, and the format you want. Here's last week's data. Summarize the top 5 entries. Keep it under 100 words. Use bullet points. Step 4. Run it. Copy-paste the result. Read it. Fix anything that's off. Then use it. Let me show you a real example. Every Friday, I summarize what happened this week for my team. It used to take me 30 minutes. Now I paste my notes in a Claude and say summarize this week's progress for my team. 3 bullet points per project. Professional tone. 30 minutes down to 2. Every single week. Step 5. Save that prompt. Put in a note, a doc, anywhere. Next week, you just paste in new data and rerun the same prompt. That's your first automation. This isn't about replacing your job. It's about eliminating the parts of your job that waste your time. Start with one task. Automate it. Then find the next one. That's the compound effect of AI. One task. 5 steps. Done. Your first automation is done. Subscribe. Next episode, we talk about how AI changes your actual job, not the hype, the real impact. AI University. Episode 5 complete.